Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Oh, one more onion. Okay, now weigh your shredded carrots to around 240 grams, which is about 3 medium-sized carrots. Now sift in your all-purpose flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and baking powder. Mix in your oil and sugar into a large stainless steel bowl using a whisk. Now add in 1 egg at a time. As well as the salt. A pinch of it is more than enough. Toss in your shredded carrots. As well as about 75 grams of the flour mixture that we sifted earlier. Now mix in the remaining flour mixture in about 2 batches. Prepare your muffin pan by adding these muffin liners into the tray. Using a yellow scoop, scoop your batter into the muffin pans. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for about 15 minutes.